Hi there, it's Larry Lursey. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to do a custom logo stamp in Photoshop. What we're talking about is just like this, where you have your signature, your studio logo, or whatever on your images to help with your branding, a little bit of copyright protection, and things like that. So it's a great thing to have, and I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So that's what we're going to work on. First thing we got to figure out is what you want to have on your images. You can go with your signature, just a copyright message, or like your studio's logo. We're going to go with the studio logo option today because that will be more fun. So here's a basic photography logo for awesome photography. Now, the big thing you've got to remember with this logo or signature, whatever you're using, is it needs to be black on white. It needs to be black text on a white background. That will work best for creating the brush. If you've got different colors and things like that, need to make it into black and white. The simpler the better, obviously will work better for these types of brushes. So this type logo will be perfect. So once we have our logo like this, we've got it ready to go. It's very, very easy. We're going to go up here to Edit and hit Edit, Define Brush Preset. That's going to pop up this little thing. It's going to have a thumbnail over here of the brush, and you can see pretty much that's what we wanted it to look like with awesome photography. If this looks like something different, then maybe you're on the wrong layer, you've done something wrong, you need to back up and start over, because this is what our stamp is going to look like. So you just need to name it. We'll just call it Awesome 1. Hit OK. Now the brush has been created. It was really that easy. Okay, so let's take a look at this image. We've already got our logo stamp right here, and if that isn't there for some reason, you just need to go over here to the brushes menu, hit B to bring up the brushes, and you can go up here to this little down arrow, go all the way to the bottom, and that's where your logo is sitting if for some reason it's not there. But usually as soon as you've created it, it automatically puts it on the brush. So a couple of things about this brush. Whatever color you've got set over here is the color it will be. So if you want it to be in white, black, you could even select a different color. Whatever it is you want over here, this is the color. Because we've got white set up, we could have red, whatever we want. We're going to stick with just a white logo. But this is it. Come over here now. Two things. One, I like putting my logo on a separate layer. That way, if you want to move it around or change your mind or things afterwards, it just gives you more options. So I always come over here, hit the little box, creating a new layer right up there. Now we're ready to go. You're going to use the bracket keys to make the logo bigger or smaller, depending on how big you want it. I think that probably works right there. Go ahead and click it. And there's our logo. Now you may think that's too bright. If so, you just come over here to opacity, and you can bring the opacity down to whatever you like. And there you go. It's on its own layer, so we can turn it off and on, move it around to whatever it is we need to do. But now you've got your image branded with your logo, and it's really easy. Now, anytime you want to do one, you just need to pull up that brush and stamp it, and away you go. So it really is a great way to brand yourself and make sure you've got a little bit of identity on your images that you're going to put online, or even ones you're going to print for people. So that's how you do it. Pretty simple. Hope you'll give it a try. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. If this helped, please like and subscribe. We've got a bunch of great videos coming out, so definitely want to have you back soon. So I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.